Breaking Bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I hope you are all fine. And this morning, you meet again with me, Mr. Jarwo, your English teacher. Now, we are going to talk about this book at Unit 3. You can open your book, Yudhishthira book, like this at page 17 until 24. Okay, in this page is discussing about someone's place and someone bird. Okay, if you want to ask me where I come from, you can ask me, "Hi, Mr. Jarwo, where do you come from?" And I can answer your question by like this. "Hi, student, I come from Temanggung." And I can ask you back, "Hi, Donny, where do you come from?" If your address is Parakan, maybe you can answer, "Mr. Jarwo, I come from Parakan." We can also ask someone, maybe I want to ask you about Sinta's address. Where does Sinta come from? If you know about Sinta's address, you can answer, "Sinta comes from Keranggan." Sinta comes from Semarang, maybe. Where does Andi come from? He comes from Tembara. Where do Doni and Deta come from? You can answer, they come from Magelang. Okay, that's about someone address. And then, what about the next page here? We are going to talk about the place we were born. Okay, if I want to ask you about the place you were born, I can ask you, "Hi, Daddy, where were you born?" Where were you born? "Hi, Daddy, where were you born?" You can answer, "Sir, I was born in Magelang." If I ask your mother, maybe, "Hi, Daddy, where was your mother born?" You can answer, "She was born in Temanggung." Is it easy, student? Okay, next question or next example here. Where were they born? They were born in Jakarta. Okay, I will give more clear sentences here. Point 1. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? You can answer, I come from Temanggung. Where does Sinta come from? She comes from Paraan. Where do Doni and Sinta come from? They come from Temanggung. Where does your mother come from? She comes from Magelang. Point 2. Where were you born? I was born in Temanggung. Where were you born, Doni? You can answer, I was born in Jakarta, sir. Where does Doni come from? He comes from Semarang. Where was he born? He was born in Semarang. That's very easy. And I'm sure you will master it well. I will give 2 questions here that you have to answer in a column of this YouTube. My first question is, where do you come from? And my second question is, where were you born? Okay, students, that's all for now. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and bye-bye.